Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Open your GCASH app and make sure you're logged in with your account. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to access your account settings. This is where all the important options are located. Step 2. Look for the Settings or Account Management menu. You'll see different options here, and you need to scroll down to find Privacy or Data Management settings. These options control what information GCASH keeps about your activity. Step 3. Find the Transaction History or Activity Log section. This is usually under Privacy or Security settings. Select the option that allows you to manage your transaction records and history data. Step 4. Once you're in the History section, you'll see options to clear or delete your transactions. You can choose to delete all transactions or select specific ones you want removed from your account. Step 5. Confirm your decision by entering your GCASH password or security PIN when prompted. The app will verify this is really you before permanently removing your transaction data. After confirmation, your history will be deleted and cannot be recovered.